Hello, wonderful explorers. Welcome to our channel, Travel Tips and Tricks. I'm here to guide you through the best places in Argentina. From the vibrant cityscapes to the breathtaking landscapes, Argentina is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, grab a mate, that's Argentina's national drink, not your friend, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. Are you ready to savor the flavor of Argentina and dance to the rhythm of tango? Then let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about Argentina's climate, a crucial factor for planning your visit. This vast country presents a range of climates due to its geographical diversity. Up north in regions like Salta, expect a subtropical climate with hot, humid summers and mild winters. Your packing for these areas include lightweight, breathable clothing, but don't forget a light sweater for cooler evenings. Moving down to the central regions like Buenos Aires, the climate is more temperate. Our hot and winters can be chilly, so pack a mix of clothing for this region. The southernmost part, Patagonia, is a land of extreme weather conditions. Summers are cool and windy, while winters are long and cold with heavy snowfall. So if you're heading to Patagonia, pack warm clothing, waterproof gear, and sturdy shoes. With this information, you can pack your bags wisely, ready to face any weather Argentina has in store. Now that you're prepared for the weather, let's whet your appetite with some local Argentine dishes. Argentina's cuisine is deeply rooted in its vibrant history and culture, providing an eclectic array of flavors that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. First on our list is the iconic asado, a traditional Argentine barbecue. It's not just a dish, it's a social event. Juicy cuts of beef are slow-cooked over a wood or charcoal fire, resulting in a mouth-watering feast that is often enjoyed with family and friends. The best place to try asado? Almost any local parrilla or grill house will serve you a memorable asado experience. Next, let's talk about empanadas. These delightful pastries are filled with a variety of ingredients, from beef, chicken, and cheese, to sweet corn and vegetables. Each region in Argentina has its own unique twist on the empanada, so be sure to sample a few from different areas. Street food stalls and local bakeries are your best bet for tasting authentic empanadas. Lastly, let's not forget about dulce de leche. This sweet, caramel-like spread is a staple in Argentine desserts. It's used in everything from pastries to ice cream, or simply enjoyed spread on toast. Any local supermarket or convenience store will have jars of dulce de leche for you to take home as a delicious souvenir. Now let's talk money. The official currency of Argentina is the Argentine peso. Currency exchange offices, known as casas de cambio, are common in major cities. Be mindful of the exchange rates and try to avoid changing money on the street to ensure you're getting a fair deal. And here's a little tip. Many places accept US dollars, but you're likely to get a better rate if you pay in pesos. Remember, the cost of living is relatively low in Argentina, so your travel budget can go a long way here. Argentina's cuisine is a feast not just for your taste buds, but also for your senses. Don't miss out on these delights. Moving on, let's discuss when to visit, what to see, and how to make the most of your Argentine adventure. Argentina, with its diverse climate and vibrant culture, is a year-round destination. However, if you're looking for the most favorable season for an unforgettable experience, spring and fall, from September to November and March to May, are particularly pleasant. The weather is generally mild, making it ideal for outdoor activities. Argentina is known for its colorful and lively festivals, which often reflect the country's rich history and cultural diversity. If your travel dates are flexible, try to coincide your visit with one of these major events. You'll get to experience the local culture in a unique and immersive way. Now let's talk about the must-see places. Argentina is a treasure trove of natural and cultural attractions. From the bustling city of Buenos Aires, with its European-style architecture and tango-filled nightlife, to the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls and the serene landscapes of Patagonia, there's something for everyone. Make sure to take your time and soak in the beauty of these iconic locations. Accommodation in Argentina can be budget-friendly, especially if you're willing to explore options beyond the traditional hotel stay. Guest houses and vacation rentals are often less expensive and offer a more authentic experience. Remember, the key to maximizing your budget is planning and research. Safety is paramount when traveling. Argentina is generally a safe country, but like anywhere else, it's important to stay alert and take precautions. Avoid displaying expensive items, keep an eye on your belongings, and be aware of your surroundings. Respecting the local culture is essential when visiting any new place. In Argentina, it's considered rude to arrive on time for social gatherings. Yes, you heard that right. Arriving about 15 minutes late is the norm. Also, avoid discussing sensitive topics like politics and religion. And finally, some hacks to make your visit even more memorable. First, try to learn a few basic phrases in Spanish. It's not only polite, but it can also make your trip smoother. Second, always carry some cash, as not all places accept credit cards. And lastly, embrace the Argentine way of life. Take a siesta, enjoy a late-night meal, and don't forget to sip on some mate, the national drink. With these tips and tricks, you are well equipped for a memorable journey through Argentina's unique landscapes and vibrant cities. Wow, that was quite an adventure, wasn't it? Let's take a moment to recap. We've navigated through Argentina's climate, so you'll know exactly what to pack. We've delved into the realm of Argentine cuisine, making sure you won't miss out on those mouth-watering local dishes. We've also covered the local currency and tips on currency exchange to ensure smooth transactions during your visit. Remember, the best time to visit Argentina depends on what you're looking for. For a vibrant cultural experience, align your trip with one of the city's major festivals. We've walked you through the top 10 must-visit locations, each a testament to Argentina's rich history and breathtaking beauty. Budget-friendly stay options? Check. Safety tips? Check. We've even spilled the beans on things you should avoid doing in Argentina to ensure a respectful and enjoyable experience. And let's not forget those insider hacks that will help you make the most of your visit. As we wrap up this Argentine adventure, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and diversity of this incredible country. From its warm, welcoming people to its stunning landscapes, Argentina offers an unforgettable travel experience. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through Argentina. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your fellow travelers. Until next time, happy travels.